Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can show the memory usage of open tabs in the Brave browser, for example, to monitor your memory usage. So let us get started and guide you through this. Launch the Brave browser on your desktop computer or on your laptop, guys, and to see your memory usage, simply hover your mouse over the given tab without clicking on anything. Just like that. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse over that tab in the bottom, so in the top left corner, you will see the memory usage, which is currently 55 MB, 40 for that tab, and 90 for that. Alright guys, if you don't see that information here, memory usage, you may enable it really quickly by heading over to your browser settings. To do that, click on these three lines in the top right, click into settings here, and inside your browser settings, head over to appearance on the left panel. And here under appearance, scroll down till you get to the tabs feature here. And here under tabs feature, you will see show memory usage on tab hover preview card. That should be usually enabled on default, guys. However, if you accidentally disabled it, or a coworker of yours or a friend of yours, make sure that you toggle it on again so that you may check and view the memory usage of open cards or tabs here at the top. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.